Lunge twist. Ready, go. Yeah, like the whole season. Going back. Ready, go. That's all. I'm chilling right now. I'm chilling right now. But for sure, when we get warm, let's have a good warm. Let's have a good warm. Let's go TBW on 3. 1, 2, 3. TBW. All right. Hey, we running. That's all right, man. Hey, gonna be airing that thing out today, man. Let's go. Mic on right now. Mic on. Run that. Get up in there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, we got tapped a little bit. He cool. He look like he hurt. But we good though. This is like one of them days where it's not there. Oh yeah. Ready? Let's go, coach. I got you. Let's go, Robert. Pink right. All right, we'll get quick one. Let's go, right here. Ready? Ooh. Ready? Let's go.
When I say body bag time, y'all say hell yeah.
Screaming. Let's go.
Body bag time! Hell yeah! Body bag time! Hell yeah! Body bag time! Hell yeah!
Yeah! Let's go! Hey, let's go!
1, 2, 3.
Sip it up! Yeah! Hey, let's go. They don't want it. Good kick, boy. Contain. He don't want it, bro. Yeah, he don't want it. Man. He looking. Ready? Yeah, boy, give me that. Oh, we like that. Ready? Give me that shit there. Ready? Good tackle, boy. Good tackle. Good tackle. Ready? Damn it. I ain't see you. They can't hold me running. They can't hold us passing. We haven't hit action yet. Exactly. Run! He pulled it. Let's go. Oh! Turn me up. Let's go, D. Pass. Hey, Zah. Hey. Big swats. That boy cold. Big swats, boy. We finna score right here. Yeah, he finna throw it. And he's a freak. He's just Zion.
You my writing analysis?
Pass. Get that boy. Hey. Zah. Line. Good job. Right.
Outside block on number 10.
Pass my boy. Hell yeah, boy! Hell yeah! I got smacked. Ready? Oh shit! Ready? Right here. Line. Ready? Hell yeah! Time out! Ready? Good tackle, boy. Hey, ram. Oh, Ready? Hell yeah! Greedy, get greedy. Yes, sir, get greedy, boy. Good tackle, boy. Okay, we'll call it Nick. Watch jet sweep, bro. Ball. Hell yeah.
Hey, Miles always.
Nick. Yes, sir. Hey! Oh! Line. It's on you. Ready? Hell yeah, boy! Hell yeah! I'm so lucky. He's so good. He's so good. Boy. Oh, yes. Oh my God! Oh, get greedy then, boy! Hey, let's go! Get me there, coach. Get me there. Send me up there. We caught that. Send me up there. We got to finish it now. Yeah.
Hey,
Run! Hey, Tim! Hey! Yes, sir. Let's go, Tim. Talk to me, Tim. What's up, coach?
I'm not trying to get you hurt. So we gonna keep pounding that ball.
Okay. The jet sweeps?
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah, sure.
I just don't
Get him the ball. Nobody getting hurt? Yeah.
I don't want nobody getting hurt.
Yes, sir, we got you. Pass! Oh, Samson! Who that? Ready? Oh, shit, boy. Damn, shit. Ready? Oh, it's boy. We get it. Yes, sir. Hey, you told that pill on that jet sweep, boy.
Let's keep doing it.
Yes, sir. I got you.
Okay. Hey, get the.
Yes, sir. For sure. Yes, sir. Just get some on, man. You good? You straight. Hey, Dan. You got the. You right here, and we 11. 11, y'all 11. What? What?
Say get greedy.
Get greedy? Oh, I said get greedy, boy. See. Ready? Oh! Moshe, bump! Run outside! Hey! That boy a grown man! He a grown man! Yeah. Pass! Get up in there, Zai! Hey, ball! Hey, oh! X! Hey! Take it to the house!
He took me out, and then they
got like plays on the run. Y'all still mic'd up.
Hey, LeBeau. Check the stats.
It's on the front. What's the stats? They're talking on Snap and Gram. Oh yeah, Cole got it. They don't want Cole, bro. They don't want Cole.
I'm probably not going in. Vasquez.
Look at Schoolboy. Look at Schoolboy. They talking all that mess. They talking all that mess. They talking all that mess on Snap and Gram, man. Tell them boys we play football, man. We play football. We don't talk mess, man.
I say with no.
We play football.
Check the stats, Miles McBride.
Yeah, the
Check
Miles
stats.
McBride.
The Miles McBride.
The Miles McBride, yes sir. Number 1, Miles McBride. DB1.
I like it, man.
No passes this year. No passes. Oh, it's part about ball chart, man. Come on. Best in the city, boy. We getting greedy for ball chart after the game. We getting greedy. Come on now. You know what it is. Hey, let's go. Come on. Hey, let's go. 2. Hey. That's how we do.